Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You will start by preparing an Azure subscription and your Lagoon repository. First, confirm you have an Azure subscription with owner rights and one service principal for automation. Next, fork or clone the Lagoon repo, then configure a basic ARM or bicep template for networking and resource groups. Once done, create the service principal credentials, store them in a secure key vault, and link that vault to your CI pipeline so deployments can authenticate without exposing secrets. Make sure to tag resources for cost tracking. You will provision infrastructure and configure Lagoon next. Deploy the resource group, virtual network, subnet, and Azure Kubernetes service cluster using your bicep template. This standardizes naming, security, and scalability. Once the cluster is ready, install Helm and the Lagoon operator into the cluster, then apply Lagoon projects and environments via your CI. Make sure to configure ingress, DNS, and TLS certificates so domain routing works. Also, add auto-scaling rules, node pools, and persistent volumes to handle traffic and stateful services. You finish by deploying applications and validating the environment. Trigger a CI build to push containers to your ACR or registry, then run Lagoon deploys for each project. Verify pods, services, and ingress routes. Once done, monitor logs, metrics, and alerts in Azure Monitor and configure role-based access for the team. Finally, document runbooks and backup policies. If deployments fail or networking breaks, first check service principal permissions, key vault access policies, and AKS network security groups. That usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.